as a candle connoisseur.
No basic zone.
What's up, Stushy? It's your girl Stushy back with another video. If you're new, my name is Stushy. Welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel, you guys. If you're new, we'd love for you to join the gang. Make sure you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Jackie Aina's new collection from Forever Mood, and it is her Send Nudes candles. I got the minis, so if you're interested in hearing my review about the new Send Nude candles, then keep on watching. Make sure you also watch this video in its entirety. Leave your girl a big thumbs up if you enjoy videos like this from me, and without any further ado, let's go ahead and get right in. So if you're new to my channel, or if you're not new, you just haven't seen my previous Forever Mood candle reviews, then go ahead and check those out. I'll go ahead and leave them linked up above for you guys to check out. But as mentioned in the intro, today's video is going to be me reviewing the Send Nudes collection from Forever Mood, Jackie Aina's candle brand. So I went ahead and got the Forever Mood Send Nudes minis because personally I bought the full size of the original candles that she launched, and I have a lot of candles, let's just be honest, and I wasn't overly excited about the candles after, you know, burning them and everything, but I still wanted to, you know, test out the new collection, the Send Nudes, and I wanted to, you know, let you guys know how it is. If you guys didn't want to pick it up, here I am. I spent the coin, so that way you know if you want to or you don't want to, you know, spend your own coins. So just to start off, I ordered this set on October 30th. It didn't get delivered until November 16th, so 17 days to a little bit over 2 weeks. I'll say that shipping still hasn't really improved as much. It wasn't a month like the last box, but you know, it still took a little time to get to me. I understand that, you know, we are living through a pandemic, but I've gotten packages a lot quicker from, you know, bigger brands, so I do want to note that. Hopefully the shipping can improve in the near future. This set was $48, retailed for $48 on the site. After shipping and everything, I paid $52.99 for everything. So the box is very similar to the gift box from her original set, or her original candle launch. It does have this magnetic flap right here. It does say open to get lit right out the front. And I don't know if you guys could see my paw prints because I did have lotion on my hand, so I do want to note that, like, you can definitely get some transfer of product on the packaging. And on the front it says Forever Mood, and on the back flap it says Send Moods collection, and then on this back part it just, you know, gives you guys the burning tips and some warnings, and it lists all the candles that are inside of this collection. So let's go ahead and open it, shall we? So upon me opening the box, you guys can see that one of the candles are missing. So I do have one of the candles burning, or it was actually burning. I just outed it not too long ago so I could show it to you guys on camera. But as soon as you open the package, it says in your kitchen, in your bedroom, or in your bathroom, you decide. XOXO Jackie Aina. Very cute. Love that all her packages are engraved with her signature and a cute little note. But inside we do have a mini size of We Not Lincoln, a mini size of Grown Folks Business, a mini size of the Hey Big Head, and the candle not pictured is Skinny Dipped. Oh, and we also have the Forever Mood logo right at the bottom. That's really cute. Packaging, A1 for me. I really love the packaging. And just like with the last gift box, once I finish burning all these candles, I'll probably use this as storage, or maybe some makeup brushes, or maybe even some jewelry. Definitely love that I can repurpose this box after burning all the candles. So let's get right into the candles, shall we? I'm gonna start with We Not Lincoln and then move down in the box. So let me go ahead and pop this out. It's kind of hard to pop out, I will say that. You kind of have to pull this back a little bit. I did write down some notes on my phone just so I can refer back to them and, you know, tell you guys everything about this candle. I did light all of the candles between yesterday and today, so I know how everything smells, so I don't have to come back on here and tell you guys how everything smells after burning them, you know. So just for size, I want you guys to see how small this is. This is an iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's really small, you guys. It's really small. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it would be a little bit bigger. It's pretty small, not gonna lie. She did say they were minis, so I do want to note that I burned each of them for roughly an hour, and I didn't really put a dent in each of the candles, so I'd say that you do have some burn time with them. So We Not Lincoln claims to have a top of pumpkin, a middle of cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg, and a base of whipped cream and tonka. Personally, when I smelled it, like straight out the pan, it smelled like nutmeg and cinnamon and a bit of whipped cream. Now that I'm smelling it after I've burned it, I kind of get that tonka, whatever that is. It's not a scent that I would recognize off the top, you know, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna assume that's a tonka. To be honest, the throw on this was very subtle. I could barely even really smell it, and I was really hoping to get all that cinnamon and nutmeg, but I didn't really get it. Next up is Grown Folks Business. So initially when smelling it straight out the pan, I smelled a lot of sweetness, some floralness. On the site, it claims that the top includes mint, white clove, and herbal moss. Middle is patchouli, which I definitely smell. And the base is vanilla, rosewood, and amber. I smell the patchouli because it smells like flowers. That's exactly what it smells like. Very sweet, very floral. When I burned this again, it wasn't anything too crazy. The throw was very, very light, very, very subtle. When burning this, you kind of get that floral scent, but it's not overpowering. These candles are very, 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 very light. But I was able to smell the floral scent when burning this candle. Ooh, I also want to note before I forget that I love the fact that all the candles are different shades of brown. Like, I just thought that was so, so cute. They look really nice outside and inside of the packaging. Next up is Hey Big Head. So according to the site, this claims to have a top of roasted coffee, a middle of sweet toffee and hazelnut, and a base of vanilla. When I initially smelled this before burning it, that's exactly what I got. I smelled cream, almond, coffee, very, very true to the notes. And it almost reminded me of Matcha Business when I burned it, without the matcha, if that made sense. Like Matcha Business, you smell the matcha, but you get a lot of like coffee, Starbucks kind of vibe. This is coffee without the matcha, if that makes sense. It's heavily creamed. Hopefully that makes sense, but I really, really like this. This might be my favorite out of all of the candles. Hey Big Head, this is cute. I would actually repurchase this. Very, very subtle again with the throw, but I like it. At this point, I'm convinced that that's how all the candles are going to be. The throw is just going to be very, very light. But out of all the candles, this did fill up my room. Like, I was able to smell it in my small room. And last but not least, Skinny Dipped. Now, Skinny Dipped claims to have a top of pistachio, almond cream, and apple, a middle of clove, cinnamon, and nutmeg, and a base of vanilla and tonka. Me smelling it now, and even when I smelled it prior to me burning it, I could definitely smell citrus, some light sweetness, and a lot of cream. And after smelling it now and reading the notes, I definitely get that coconut as well. You get that faint coconut scent. These smell really good inside of the pan, but I feel like when you burn them, it's just a different story. I'm not gonna lie. And I feel like when you open the box, you get all of those scents. You get that nutmeg, that clove and stuff, but when it's burning, you don't really get that. Is it just me? If you guys have this collection, let me know down below because I need to know your thoughts. I purchased the gift set from her initial launch, and I just got the minis for this launch, but I feel like you smell them more in the box than when they're burning. Maybe, don't shoot me, don't come for me. And I'm a stan. I'm a Jackie Aina stan, so don't leave in my comments like, oh, she don't really like Jackie. I'm a Jackie Aina stan. But I feel like as a candle connoisseur, if you're OG Triple SG, then you know. I just feel like the throws don't really pack that punch that I thought they would. But even me opening the box, there's nothing inside. I smell cinnamon, clove, and all that stuff, but when I burn these candles, or burn some of the candles, because not all of them, when I burn some of the candles, I'm just like, and I'm gonna keep it a stack, especially when I spend my own coins on it. I'm gonna keep it a stack. Just reflecting on the price, $48 is not bad. $40 would have been better. Hey Big Head and Skinny Dipped are my favorites. If I had to repurchase one, I'd get Hey Big Head again. If you really want to try all of them, I would recommend getting the small instead of the full size gift box, just so you can, burn all of them, and then you can figure out which ones you like the most. I kind of wish you did this on the first collection because I probably would have bought the minis instead of the gift box, but I'm not mad at it. I'm always here to support a black-owned business, and I'm always here to try new candles and figure out what candles are my favorites. So, but yeah, that's all I have to say about the Scent Moods collection from Miss Jackie Aina's brand of Forever Mood. Let me know if you guys picked up anything from the second launch. Let me know if you guys got the gift box. Did you just get one candle? Leave some of your comments down below. Leave your thoughts down below. Let's chat down below in the comments. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you don't head out without giving your girl a big thumbs up. If you still haven't subscribed to join the game, make sure you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below and ring the bell so that way you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And until next time, I'll see you guys all later. Bye guys. If you're OG Triple SG, then you know. I just feel like the throws don't really pack that up. It's your girl Stushy. So if you're interested in seeing my review about and in the packaging, they look really, really nice outside of the packaging.